Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. May all of us always be in good health. Previously, here I will tell you something related to myself, my high school days, and interesting stories at that time. Before continuing, first I will introduce myself. My name is Saiful Dikri. Can you call me Dikri or Kri? I live in Sukabumi City. 3 years ago, I was studying high school at SMA and 2 in Sukabumi City. After registering at that time, then immediately held school introduction activities to new students who entered the school. Then, after going through the introduction period, the school finally entered the school at the beginning. At the time, I was still a student who felt embarrassed, awkward, and needed adaptation to socialize with teacher, friend, and other school member. But for a few days, week, month phase, they finally began to adapt to the environment and finally be able to survive more in the early stage of high school. In the early day, at the time, the struggle that I went through was very profound because I was still passionate about everything. Different from when I entered the second level, where I had to think and be busy to focus on improving grade. To be even more active in continuing to college, and then after entering the final level, I was required to focus on carrying out exam, choosing universities that match my talent and so on. During school at that time, I not only focused on learning to seek knowledge, but I also took part in organizational leadership, such as the class representative council, and was entrusted as chairman for one period. In this organization, I learned a lot about how to manage group, equalize perception, and organize everything so that the vision and mission of the organization can be achieved. Meaning that besides studying in the classroom, I also learned to simulate going into the community. What I found interesting during my high school days was when I struggled to learn by selling phone credit or internet data. At the time, they still needed credit to fill their cell phone need for 3 years selling like that, and finally through and felt that making money really needed a struggle. Not only just asking the parent, even though there were parents who work hard to make a living for their children need a school. Another interesting thing and maybe a funny is when during empty hours in class. All students must feel happy because they are free from learning. Usually, when at the time the hours are empty, always filled with jokes and funny behavior to fill the void. Not infrequently, from all of these things, there are things that can become unforgettable memories, such as close friendship, exchange of ideas, light discussion but bring benefit, extraordinary, and so on. Of all the things that I have explained earlier, those are some of the stories I went through during high school and become memories for myself. Maybe that's all from me, more or less, please forgive. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.